Folks, this is Andy.
This is Andy Rome's.
And I present to you Hotel Villa Serena in Escalon, San Salvador. I'm here to do a 5-ish minute review for you.
It's the 5-ish minute review. I'm Andy Rome. Oh yeah.
The Hotel Villa Serena, San Salvador. Yes, folks, San Salvador, the capital of El Salvador. You need a place to stay? Well, here's a place. Cost about 60 US a night, I think. Maybe a little bit less, actually. No, about 60 US a night. 189 for 3 days. Just over 61, 62 cents. And here we are. It's in a busy area, but then just about every area of it, San Salvador is somewhat busy. Okay, I don't know if I can show you in here. It's closed, but in there is the breakfast room with big tables, and they do breakfast included in the price. And it's quite a nice place. It's got courtyards and just places to relax if it so takes your fancy. And yeah, up there we've got a nice metal roof, an extra roof there for us, and it's rained the last 2 nights, although I don't think it's going to happen tonight. And it sounds wonderful if you like rain on the roof, because it's a great sound as far as I'm concerned. We are in room 211. But before we check out the room, check out a little bit of a sunset over there. Looking mighty pretty. And folks, there you go. Basically, that's the room. It's got a nice queen-size bed, and there's a chair and there's a desk. However, the desk has a fridge under it. So if you're like me and you want to do a little bit of work, writing or editing even, then you're going to, you're not going to be able to use that space. So basically I've just been sitting here in my bed doing editing and stuff. It's not the best for the back. But there is a lovely Hisense TV. If you are looking for English language channels, you may struggle a little bit. Having said that, I've been able to use Disney. I've been able to cast from my computer, which has been nice too. A small fridge, but handy to keep, well, I've just got a water in there at the moment, but you know, handy to keep your stuff in there. The window provides a little bit of breeze. Up here we have a SEAC inverter air conditioner, which keeps the room nice and chilled. It says it's from the American people, USAID. So I don't know what's going on there. I don't know why they would be furnishing hotels. Over here, obviously, we've got the old telephonic device, but we also have these lamps here. I don't know if this one's not plugged in. The other one is, but they do have a USB slot there, so you can charge your devices. The bed itself is pretty comfy, and look, they've got Well, they've got 3 pillows if you count this gold pillow. They've got a high pillow and a low pillow, and I like a low pillow, so I was pleased with that. Over here we have a little bit of room, places you store clothes or whatnot. And you can hang as well. Hang your las ropas, your clothes. That's always useful. And here is the bathroom. It's a bathroom. It's a basic bathroom, but it does what it says on the box. Over here, the shower is decent. The hot water is nice and hot, but the pressure could be a little bit harder. It's unclear whether this is soap or shampoo. They do provide a hand soap there for you, and they also replace it every day, which I think is unnecessary, but you know, that's what they do. So folks, let's summarize Hotel Villa Serena here in Escalon. Location wise, I don't think it's too bad. There's certainly plenty of places to eat that you can walk to within 5 minutes. I have been taking Ubers around town. Generally doesn't take more than 15 or 20 minutes to get most places. So I think the location is pretty decent. It seems to be a pretty safe neighbourhood. I've walked around without issue, night or day. Do I think it's value for money? I think it's all right. I haven't got a lot to compare it to really. So anyways, look, I've been pretty happy here. I would give it a thumbs up. It's not the world's greatest hotel, but I actually think the room is better than it looks. I'll say that. Sometimes it's the other way around, but this time I think it's better than it looks. Anyways, it's just a quick one today for you folks, a 5-ish minute review, and thank you very much for watching it. Yeah, people are starting to visit El Salvador, and you may not know what to expect when it comes to places to stay. So at least I've shown you a couple, one in Santa Ana and one here, which I think have been pretty decent. And you know, for less than 100 Australian dollars a night, I don't feel like I've got anything to complain about it. It does what you need it to do. There's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is quite fast. It does work in the room, although it's better in certain locations in the room than it is in others. That's all I can say about that. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me again on this one. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow, and I do appreciate it. Wherever you are in the world, take care. May the journey never end.